F450 dually. Woo! I can't even get the whole thing in the camera. That's how big it is. Look how much carbon on here. The whole bike carbon, bro.
Everything.
Look at the wheels. This thing is nasty. 7-inch F250 Platinum.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who? We outside. Alright guys, we're on our way right now to Invite Me, posted by a few people, you know, Last Rain, Chris Moore, Got Muddle, Matt gonna be there, a few other people, man, you know, gonna be a good meet. Hopefully it'll be a good meet. Man's gonna be there. We're still in Florida, so they did a meet, so we're just gonna go pop up, check it out real quick. I am on the Hayabusa. I've been on the H2 all day for the most part. I'll make sure we lose everybody. I don't see nobody behind me. I see a car. Hopefully we get a red light right here. Perfect timing. This bike, it sounds like it has some pop, like brrrr. Woo. The way this thing pops, man, like pop, 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 pop. Listen, it gonna pop. Oh, I ain't popped that time, but it pops when you shift into gear. Pretty nice sound. Dang, what bike is that screaming like that? Holy crap. It was, man. Is that the S1000, the M? Screaming like that? Man, that thing was screaming. I'm not gonna lie. I've been riding the H2 all day, guys. It's so nice to have a bike with mirrors. Like, I can just look. I ain't gotta like freaking break my neck to turn around and see what's going on behind me. I really like the booster, bro. It's so comfortable. Oh my God. I do feel stressed out. Like right now I'm feeling pain in my upper back because I'm like reaching forward, stretched out. So I already did a review on it. If you want to see that, go check it out. A video I did on it. But yeah, man, this is kind of crazy. Like, I'm in Florida riding motorcycles with my boys, and the crazy about thing, we met out on the internet. That's how I met all these guys, on the internet, through motorcycles. It's kind of crazy, bro. It's crazy. This bike has so much freaking torque that I can be in second gear and just, I'm sorry, not torque. This bike, bro, just, I can just be in second gear. It don't rev high. Well, anyway, never mind. I lost my train of thought. I ain't know what I was trying to say no more. Guys, we literally have been riding since probably about 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock this morning. That's how long we've been riding motorcycles. We've been out all day. It is now 9:13 p.m. Look how this bike handles in the turn for a big bike. It does not feel its weight, bro. It's so impressive. Like, it's very impressive in the turns, man. Like, seriously. Really, really impressive, man. Anyway, I think we're putting up to the meet. We'll see what's popping. See what's going on. Like, look at this thing just tilts in, bro. It's crazy. It just tilts in. Like, it's a big bike. We was over here yesterday making a lot of noise, so hopefully the cops ain't came and like closed it down. We gotta find the boys. Gotta look for them. You know? This is a cool spot. It's kind of like something P Village, Pembroke Village or something like that. And somewhere in Miami, man, I don't know exactly where, but it's pretty nice. And the people out here, like, when you drive through on bikes, like, they just really like stare like crazy. They got a curfew. 16 and under, you got a curfew at 6 o'clock. Then you got a curfew out here. I ain't seen a place with a curfew in so long, bro. I don't know if I ever had a curfew, honestly. Comment below if you had a curfew, bro. I don't know if I had a curfew. But this is supposed to be the spot right here. I don't see nobody here, though. They said go this way. Here's a meet. Everybody out here. Here.
Alright guys, I know I told y'all I was bringing y'all to a motorcycle meet, bro. And I have recorded 0 motorcycles since I've been here. So I'm gonna show y'all some of the bikes real quick. So of course we got Mez bike, we got Rafa, we got a CBR. Of course we got the M1000 R right here. We got the Hayabusa, Nubis, the H2, Reap on the R1. We got Jack other bike. Got a nice Jixer coming right here. I really like the color of paint scheme on this thing. I think it's nice. Like that a lot. Dang, that thing sounds stupid, bro. This thing clean. What is this? What is this? A ZST? Dang, look at the carbon. Is this red? It is red. This thing is nasty. Jeez. Wait, this is the one that was at the race spot earlier? No. Dang, look how much carbon on here. The whole bike carbon, bro.
Everything.
Look at the wheels. Ooh. Hey, that color is nasty.
Yeah.
Oh, that bumper bike.
Everything.
Yeah, this thing is this clean, bro. This.
Look at this teeth, bro.
Well, you think you seen it all, huh? That's dope. Sheesh. This bike is like fully carbon. Look at this, man. Yeah, fully. This thing is nasty. Look. You don't see that when you don't shine a light on it, or can you?
Yeah,
You see it? Bro, I know, right? It's just fully carbon. This thing is. Jack said 330. You said 330?
I said 330.
This thing is nasty. You got Zoko Roadkill, which is an easy bike. PX10. Nardo Gray. Yes, sir, clean. You got a Turbo Hayabusa, just in case you're wondering. Chris Moore's F450 dually on some 37, 13, 5, 24 American Forces. Black on black, everything blacked out. It's just clean. Simple but clean. It's clean and simple is sometimes the key to everything. This thing is nasty, man. What y'all think, bro? Woo! I can't even get the whole thing in the camera. That's how big it is, bro. But I think it just got a leveling kit. I don't think it's lifted at all. And of course, you got the trailer with the bikes and everything in it. But yeah, this thing is nasty, boy. All right, guys, we had to bite me, but you know I had to find a truck somewhere. Buddy just pulled up 7-inch F250 Platinum on some 26 by 14 35s. I ain't think these was 35s. These must be 35 by 15 wides, bro. Yep, they 15.5s. That's why. On a 7-inch lift, this joint is nasty. Sheesh.